Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite device, and now I can show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. Firstly, open the gallery, then find your albums and choose trash bin. Find the photo or video you want to recover. You can choose several photos and videos, then just choose restore. Go back, and great, as you can see, photos and videos was successfully restored. I can restore more photos and videos, for example, and as you can see, they are restored. But you have only 30 days to restore your photos and videos from the recycle bin after removing, and after 30 days, your photos and videos will be removed permanently from your recycle bin and from your device. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!